style, like this, fried just to perfection. Let's see the whole video. Come with me and don't miss out to subscribe my channel, Joe's Kitchen. Cleaned and washed, cut into pieces. The chicken is no skin, and make sure we cut a slit in the chicken. Onto a bowl, add the chicken, turmeric powder, chili powder, add just enough salt to taste. Keep it aside. Then we make the next ingredients. Onto a blender, dry red chilies, fennel seed, a small piece of cinnamon stick, just a very small piece of mace, star anise, a very small piece, just 5 pieces of cloves, cardamom, whole peppercorns, just crush it, just like this. Add the crushed spices to the chicken. Onto the same jar, add few bird-eye chilies, garlic with skin, roughly cut red onions or shallots, a handful of curry leaves, the fresh green chilies. If you think it's too spicy for you, you can reduce it. I am adding just 5. A handful of cilantro, a handful of fresh mint leaves, just crush it, just like this. Add the green masala to the chicken. Finely paste the pandan leaves. Add the paste to the chicken. Freshly squeezed lemon juice, curry leaves. After that one, just marinate the chicken. When you're marinating the chicken, make sure the spices we made, sure you push into the slits of the chicken. The chicken is well marinated now. Add a drizzle of coconut oil, then mix the chicken. We have to rest at least for 1 hour, ideally 2 hours for better flavor. fry the chicken, place a pan like this on a medium heat. Add coconut oil. For this dish, coconut oil is the best one for the better flavor. Before you add the chicken to the fryer, make sure you remove all this extra spices on the top. The oil is very hot now. The masala be removed from the chicken. Don't throw it out. This is the main ingredient in this dish, and this is the highlight of this dish. Just wait and see. Now we add the chicken. Let's fry it. This is a mouth-watering recipe. Do you feel it? I feel it because of the fragrance. After 5 to 6 minutes, when the chicken is almost 75% cooked, now you add the most important ingredient. Stir in between. Chicken and the spices are well cooked now. Let's remove to a strainer. Don't miss out to take out all the flavorful thing, spices. Fragrance are tempting a lot. The drums, let's taste it. Wow. Very juicy chicken. Little bit of crisp on outside. The highlight is the crumbs, right? The spices we fried. So good. I have some spices here. Let's try it. Yeah, it's spicy. It has a great kick, but the flavors are so beautiful. When you eat, as I always tell, enjoy and eat. And don't miss out to subscribe my channel, Josh Moses Kitchen. And if you like this recipe, please try it. If you like it, share it, comment it. Your comments makes me perfect. Bye. See you with a new video.